Cheers. Well, hello everybody, welcome to Best Life and Beyond. We're here at the Disneyland Hotel in the lobby. Look behind us.
Pretty awesome display. They have pretty much almost all of the Fantasyland Tower in the Disneyland Hotel is decorated for the Haunted Mansion's 50th anniversary. And a special thing that they are doing over in Steakhouse 55, located in the Fantasyland Tower, is a Haunted Mansion tea party.
Yes.
So we're gonna go today and try it out, see what it's like,
yeah,
and celebrate.
We've done a few of these tea parties before. They're always themed. We did a Pixar one at one point. So these are really fun. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna go and make our way in there now. Look at these backdrops. Hey, look, Chip. How you doing, buddy? Look at that, scary, huh? Whoa, yeah, Haunted Mansion. Bye, buddy. Yeah, so like Chip was showing us, all these backdrops are great for taking photos in front of. This is the candelabra hallway where the night kind of scares you. Very cool.
He's reading the script.
A lot of information here at the Disneyland Hotel. Oh, he's checking the DVC.
Wait, that is Chip. Wait, no. Yeah, it is Chip.
Oh, it is Chip.
Are you going on a vacation? Where's Dale? Is he going to come with you? No! You're not even going to bring Dale? Oh my goodness. Oh well, I get it. It's a lot of money. You and I could go? I'll go. I mean, let's go to Alani. I think that's a good place. Oh, cruise. Look at this. Oh, Alani. That's where we want to go.
Okay, sounds good.
Can you do the hula?
Yeah, I want to go too. Yeah, is that okay?
Do the hula.
Oh yeah.
There it is. And maybe Stitch can join us. Maybe. I'll see you later. It's good hanging out with you. I'll be you for our trip in 1 month. Let's start saving. Bye, Chip.
Classic dining room here. The centerpieces at the tables also themed like they have been for all these teas. And Katie has pointed out that this is Constance.
I think so, because she's a bride.
It looks like, yeah, she's...
And she's a skeleton. You thought it was a boy.
Well, I didn't really notice the veil.
He's like, this is the hair.
I don't know.
Look at this, is me in the morning. That was, you're like, wait, how is it? There's a little more bridey, watch. Does that feel more bride-like to you?
Yeah.
A little bit more feminine and soft.
Yeah.
Although a boy can be a bride too, so. But there you go. And now, a quick look at the menu.
Perusal.
So this is all the teas that you can get.
Okay.
Tea-infused cocktails over here.
Okay. I'm thinking of, by the way, point out right in the middle.
The tequila lychee.
Yeah, I think I might get that.
You should. Why not?
Just
When in
got it.
Rome. And then over here, there's the different types that you can do. So you could do the classic tea party, which is $55 a person before your discount.
Yeah.
And then down here in the middle is basically a premium one. The only difference is that you get a special salad, meaning it's like themed. It's not just your basic salad. And then you get sparkling wine, which I don't drink, so it's not really gonna...
And I'm not into sparkling wine,
Yeah.
so...
And then for kids 10 and under, they have a special little tea party. This is $35 per person. And what I remember last time with the Pixar one, this was a great deal. Oh, well, hello there. Welcome to Katie's Tea House.
Oh, very good, very good.
So we got the, it's an oolong tea. And I found out, I guess he was telling us you can try as many teas as you want. I guess I didn't realize that from last time.
Yeah, it's like, you know, tasters, it's a taster's menu.
We're going on a journey today. A tea journey.
All right, classic Best Life form, here we go. Cheers.
Oh, that was oh, that's good.
Earthy.
It is very earthy. Like, that's definitely...
But like a classic tea. This is the oolong, or what is this?
Something oolong. It was
The
a big long name.
Dejarling.
Something. And then we also tried the nutty chocolate, which I'm really excited about. We're
Piggy's
starting
out.
with this.
Piggy's out.
These are both black teas, so they have caffeine. They have, you could also do it iced too.
Oh yeah, you
And
can do
they
iced
have
teas.
green and white teas too, so.
Up top, we'll start with dessert first, since life's short. We have the chocolate panna cotta, Madame Lyoto, the chocolate covered strawberry, as well as the the red velvet cake pop with Constance Hatchaway's hatchet.
Ah.
We have the Hitchhiking Ghost Dune Buggy
Nice.
pie. Down on the bottom, we have my personal favorite, the Mickey Mouse cotton candy scone, as well as a blackberry scone. We have the Rosie Banh Mi pork sandwich. It has pickled carrots and onions on there, and a really good salami.
Okay.
The Stretching Room chive cream cheese, ham, and cucumber sandwich. The Beets Ing Heart, beet duxelle, and a tarragon goat cheese. And last but not least, we have the Hatbox Ghost, which is a tri-aged bresaola with cornichons and a blue cheese herb mustard.
Is that your lychee something drink?
This is my tequila lychee. Yeah, it's got lychee and lime and I think some sort of interesting Benedictine. I bet you that's a liqueur.
Give it a taster.
It smells very citrusy, which I'm down with.
So it's got lime in it too.
Oh, that's good.
You like it?
I like that.
You're gonna order 5 more of those, huh? No, just kidding.
No, but it's one of those ones that it's mixed perfectly. So it's like it's kind of a one and done for me. And it's a nice drink.
Steakhouse 55 does it right.
Yeah. Cheers. The triple stacked tray has arrived, you guys, with all these Haunted Mansion themed little things to eat.
This is the desserts.
The desserts on top,
Sandwiches.
right?
And then the scones.
And scones on the bottom. I think, and we're going to start in the middle.
Yes.
Because we're starving.
We're so hungry right now.
And he described these for us, so we've got...
The Hatbox Ghost sandwich.
Look at his face.
He's happy to see you.
He's so stoked.
This is the Beating Heart
Oh, the bride's beating heart.
beet sandwich.
Get it, beet?
I'm not a big fan of beets, so I'm curious if I'm gonna like that. This is the Stretching Room sandwich, so it's like a cucumber and some meat.
Oh yeah, look at
Cream cheese.
the cucumber and the meat are unraveling and
They're
stretching.
stretching.
Yes.
And then this, I don't remember what this one was, but I want to eat it anyway.
And then of course in the Mickey shape here, you've got the cream and the things to dip in here. What is
That's
that?
the Devonshire cream.
Okay.
This is the blackberry jam, and this is the green goo, which is basically a lime curd.
Oh, a la Green Goo Ghost.
Which we'll get into that when we do scones.
Oh, that's a scone thing. Okay.
Yeah, here's your half of Hatbox Ghost.
Sorry, Hattie.
I can't tell if I'm just hungry or if it's really, really good. But I think it's really, really good.
Next up.
Hit the Beating Heart.
Oh yeah.
And I'm assuming an edible flower on there.
Don't go breaking my heart.
I just broke it.
No matter what.
Alright. I'm really not a beet fan. I don't like it.
It's okay. I mean,
The cream cheese is good.
it is. It's not super overly beety, but
I think if you like beets, you would love this though.
Yeah.
Because I think it's beety. I think the cream cheese under it or whatever that spread is, that part's really, really good.
helps it out.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm really excited about this one, although it be crunchy. I love me some good like salami.
This is Haunted Mansion. This isn't Pirates of the Caribbean. Although it be crunchy. Like, what is that? Yeah. It's so strange.
Cheers.
Cheers, Pirate Katie.
The German in me loves that. That is so good. That was a winner.
All right, stretching room. Is this room actually stretching?
Or is it in your mouth? You know,
is.
it's on some like darker bread, like it's a blue bread. Oh, that's good. I like that.
I like
the
that a
ham
lot.
is great.
Favorite so far. Okay, so we also ordered the kids menu version, which is the same except for the middle part is different. Look at these,
Well,
you guys.
the chocolate covered strawberry is a darker chocolate.
Oh, a
it's
dark
like
chocolate.
Actual chocolate, not white chocolate.
As
like
opposed
this
to
one
that
is
one
a.
there. So those are the differences. Yeah,
Which
because
is good because you prefer white chocolate and
Yeah.
I prefer chocolate.
so that's the difference with the kids. It comes with a different colored chocolate strawberry, or you know.
Yeah, but
And
everything
then-
else is the same. The scones are the same and the desserts.
But these are different.
And we're excited about this.
And to me, I'll be honest with you guys, these are cooler looking than the adult ones.
Which we thought that during the Pixar
we
one
thought that
too.
yeah, that's true.
So we learned our lesson, and we're smart.
And so this is the coffin. What was this?
Chicken salad. Rest in peace, Sandwich Leisha.
All right.
Looks so good.
Down goes the coffin.
That good. That good.
That good.
All right, next is gonna be the peanut butter jelly.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, that's good. Classic PB&J. Now my friend Jess told me,
Kids will like this, yeah.
my friend Jess told me that the ham and cheese, the 13th hour ham and cheese was her favorite.
Okay.
So, we'll
Save
see.
the best for last.
Oh, the cheese is on top. That's what this is on top, Spence.
Did you say cheese?
Yeah, it's your favorite thing. All right.
All right, 13th hour.
I really like that one. That was really good.
Yeah, I would say my favorite too.
I need some more tea.
I really like the kids menu here. What does that say about me?
I'm trying the chocolate tea now. It's the nutty chocolate tea.
Because you're nutty and you like chocolate. This is perfect.
It's a match made in
I
heaven.
should just call this the Katie Disney Bear because,
Shut up.
yeah,
Here's the little thing of milk for the tea.
it's a little milk bottle.
And milk is so good with black tea.
And milk in a glass bottle, I'm sorry. That's why it used to be delivered that way to your house in the old days. All right, here we go.
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. See, I know what tea I like. I knew it. I knew I would love that.
I pretty much had an idea that you would. It's, you know what, there's one ingredient in there that I think swayed you the entire time, and that would be
Chocolate. So this is the kids' dessert. The difference is the strawberry has a Hatbox Ghost, and it's like purple chocolate. I don't know if you're picking up that it's purple.
Yeah, I am, totally.
But it is. And then we each got all of these items. It's a red velvet cake pop.
Hatchaway.
Yes. And I'm not sure what the Lyoto gelatin dessert is, but we'll have to try that. And then this looks like a chocolate whoopie pie.
I'm
With
down.
Hitchhiking
Buggy,
Ghost.
with Hitchhiking Ghost, yeah.
I love it. All right, let's give it a try. I do. I did.
Oh my gosh, Hatchaway. The bride.
Oh, the cake pop's so good. That's really good. If you're a Red Velvet fan, you will love that. Most excited about this Doom Buggy because it's very chocolatey. Sorry. Oh, save that for later. I'm gonna convert it into a whoopee.
Whoopee!
Do not pull down on the safety bar.
I will
lower it for you. Didn't Adam say that when we were...
I'm sure he did.
That was so funny. Do not lower...
Do not bite down on this safety bar.
That was it.
Doom Buggy heaven, here we go.
That's going to be a really big, powerful chocolate punch.
I just folded the whole thing.
I'm still over here eating it.
Wow.
We're going to cruise on over to Lyoto Town in this cute little dish. It looks like, okay, so there's a gelatin layer. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's Jell-O. And I'm not a big Jell-O fan, but I'll eat. Oh, no, it's cotton candy Jell-O. Cotton candy. I'm just skimming it off the top right now. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Sorry, Lyoto. All right, let's see what the second layer is. It's like a vanilla, I think. Bottom, chocolate. This was made for me.
Call in the chocolate wherever
my
it's
gosh.
at.
I'm gonna eat every layer one at a time. I think this is, so far, I think this might be my favorite.
Really?
Uh-huh. And if you don't eat it, I will. I'm gonna take the Lyoto off because I know that's chocolate. This is a very chocolate heavy tea party. Therefore, it's now my favorite. Lyoto, you win.
All right, on to the chocolate covered strawberries. And you know what's really cool about the ghost is that they let it run off to give him like his ghost-like shape, how the chocolate goes off the bottom. You see that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Ghost Leisha.
That is Ghost Leisha in a strawberry form.
And I got Hatbox Leisha in a strawberry form.
All right, let's cheers these.
Cheers!
Bye, Ghost Leisha.
Do I have all Leisha? Oh. That's great. Really good. So here's scones.
It's scone time.
Yes. Now the good part is this one's blackberry.
Okay.
And I like this because then we can use the green goo and the blackberry.
Okay.
Whereas the Devonshire, I would probably use that on the cotton candy.
Okay.
So I kind of like to keep my sweet with the sweet and the tart with the tart.
All right.
So let's try the blackberry one first. They make the best scones here, by the way. Every time we've ever been here. Let's use the green slime. See how that is. That's great. That's so good.
So. It's like key lime pie.
I know, right? It's really lime.
That lime flavor is very key limey. Well, it's good. And I've always been a fan of these scones. Honestly, I can eat these alone, like without anything. That's how good they are.
They don't need anything. They're so good.
You know, some scones are dry, and you have to put stuff on them.
Yeah.
I mean, scones are dry in their nature, but these are like appropriately dry and just enough. So you honestly, I don't need anything on this, but I'll put more stuff on them. But I'm just saying.
Just because. Okay, a couple of my friends have had this, and they said that the cotton candy scone was their absolute favorite. So, and it has nothing to do with the Haunted Mansion, but they kept it because it's that good. So we're gonna be the judge. Oh wow!
I'm gonna say though that cotton candy, in its form. No, listen. I'm gonna tell you how it's appropriate to this theme.
I like it.
Cotton candy in its form is much like a cobweb. Am I right?
There you go.
Just saying, guys.
That's really good. This is that good.
All right, cotton candy Mickey scone. Here.
I already like almost finished mine. That's how I'm just inhaling.
That is good.
Isn't it? It's not overly sweet. I'm so full right now, it hurts. Imagine if we would have got two like full adult-sized classes.
No, that's the call.
Rolled out.
That's the call, is to get an adult, adult one and a kid's version.
If they let you, like we asked nicely, and they were able to accommodate for us.
Plus the theming of the sandwiches for the kids meal. I'm sorry, but I think they're better. Just saying. I don't know. I like all kids stuff. Even the merchandise here at the park is always better for the kids.
It's true, and then they also let you have tea to go. That was another thing I wanted to point out.
Yeah.
I got iced tea to go.
Yeah, you can get iced tea also. They'll bring you a big carafe of iced tea, which I didn't know was a thing for tea. I didn't know. I wasn't aware, Katie.
So definitely keep an eye on the Disneyland website because they're always doing these tea parties. Sometimes they're, like we said, different themes, like Pixar, Haunted Mansion, Christmas.
Yeah.
So keep an eye out and make sure that you make reservations well in advance. And if you enjoyed this experience as much as we did, please let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you know when we go live and when we drop new videos.
And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members. I'll put all the information in the description box right there below.
She will, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!